Hello, and welcome to this tutorial video where we will demonstrate how to effectively manage billable hours using timesheet tracking for Jira. To begin, it is important to have a custom field added to your Jira projects. This custom field will be used to indicate whether a Jira ticket is billable or not. After setting up your filters for projects, users, and time periods in the Timesheet plugin, the next step is to navigate to the Advanced tab of the application. This tab allows you to access additional features and functionalities for further customization and analysis. From there, you can conveniently group the data based on the billable field, allowing you to instantly view the desired information. Additionally, you can group the data by other fields that impact revenue rates. For instance, if the revenue rates are dependent on work log authors and issue status, you can group these informations in the table. Finally, you can export the results in CSV or Excel format to add your associate cost and revenues. Thank you for your attention.